Here at RoofPax, we craft solutions to real problems. For all of our avid travelers and weekend warriors, we set out to solve a universal lack of space while on the road. We've created the solution for your car's rooftop storage needs with our RoofPax Universal Waterproof Cargo Carrier, now available in 15, 19, and an extendable 15 to 19 cubic feet carrier. These are compatible with roof racks, raised side rails, crossbars, or our patent-pending steel hooks. When first unpacking, please pay attention to how the bag is folded in the storage bag, because this is how you fold it back. Installation is the same on all of our bag units, and it is quick and painless. Place the cargo carrier on top of your car and make sure the integrated protection mat is on the bottom and the part with no zippers is facing the front of your vehicle. Center the bag on the roof. Each RoofPax bag has 10 straps, 3 on the side, 2 on the front and back, and it can work on almost any car. Unzip the waterproof zippers and it's time to load your belongings. It might look like a lot, but RoofPax has you covered. After you're packed, go ahead and zip back up and center the bag on the roof. If your car doesn't have a roof rack, use the steel tie-down hooks included, and if you do have a roof rack, just go with the straps. To apply these hooks, simply open your door, slowly pull back the door weather stripping seal, hold the hoop up and place the hook on the metal door frame, apply gentle force and pop the seal back into place with your hand and close the door. Apply the same procedure to the other doors and you're ready for straps. Guide the heavy-duty straps through the hooks you just installed and back up to connect to the Nivco buckles. Tighten the straps down by pulling the strap in a downward motion towards the ground. It's time to tighten all of our straps down until the slack is gone and the straps are secured. Make your way around your car and connect each strap to the anchor point. Give the straps a final tug to ensure the bag doesn't move and you're road ready. Peace of mind, safety, and quality all wrapped up into an affordable and universal solution brought to you by RoofPax. We'll see you on the road.